How to find your IP address on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to locate both your local and public IP address quickly and easily. First, click on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. Let me show you. After that, go to Settings by clicking on the gear icon. From there, click on Network and Internet on the left side menu. At this point, click on Wi-Fi if you're connected wirelessly, or click on Ethernet if you're using a wired connection. In the next step, click on your connected network name to open its details. From there, scroll down and you'll see your IPv4 address listed. This is your local IP address assigned by your router. At this stage, note it down or take a screenshot for future reference. Let me show you a quicker method using command prompt. Following this, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. Once done, type in CMD and press Enter to open command prompt. From there, type in ipconfig and press Enter. At this stage, look for the IPv4 address under your active network adapter. This is your local IP address. Following this, if you want to find your public IP address, open Chrome and go to whatismyip.com. Your public IP address will be displayed right at the top of the page. Here's an important note. Your local IP address is what devices on your home network use to communicate with each other, while your public IP address is what websites and online services see when you browse the internet. They are two different addresses serving different purposes. And that's it. If this guide helped you find your IP address on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.